signed a sweeping sales tax expansion into law. There are signs that some of these tax hikes could soon be history. Tonight, the focus is on a tax that is provoking outrage among business leaders. 5 Eyewitness News reporter Steve Tellier spoke with business leaders and with lawmakers. And Steve, what are they saying about this tonight?
Well, it's called the warehouse tax, and it may sound boring, but it actually could end up impacting every single Minnesotan.
The new law would apply the nearly 7% sales tax to warehousing services for the first time, but lawmakers are leaving the door open for a reversal. From dried fruit to fine wine to farm supplies.
The warehouse is really a logistics function.
Products from Thailand to the Twin Cities.
They're in constant motion.
Millions in merchandise constantly coming and going.
About 2.8 million square feet.
But if a warehouse tax takes effect in Minnesota, it might be the warehouse itself that gets shipped out.
We would take part of our operation and move it probably to Wisconsin at this point.
Richard Murphy, president and CEO of Murphy Warehouse Company in Minneapolis, says virtually every kind of product you've ever bought went through a warehouse like this one.
Our role within the economy is so invisible to so many people, they just don't know what we do.
And slapping a sales tax on each and every box could have Murphy seeing red.
We're in a 3 to 5% net income bottom line industry, and this 6.5+% tax basically wipes that out.
So Murphy wants to wipe out the warehouse tax. And while DFL leaders haven't put forward any specific proposals, they are saying that if lawmakers file bills to block the tax before it takes effect, they'll be given a full and fair hearing. They say other sales tax backtracking would be up for debate as well. Meanwhile, Murphy is already hearing it from the folks who own all these boxes.
And we've already had some clients tell us they're not paying the tax. They'll move instead of pay.
And companies looking for states without such taxes would have plenty of options.
Minnesota's the only state in the country that has a warehouse tax, which from a competitive standpoint is not a good deal.
While some of the sales tax increases take effect on July 1st, the warehouse tax doesn't kick in until April 2014. That means lawmakers would, of course, have plenty of time to reverse course.
Did you hear from any other warehouse companies about how they feel about this tax?
Yeah, we have. One very similar to the company we just showed you is also looking at the same thing, exploring the possibility of moving out of state. There's also another company that was planning on applying to build a new warehouse facility in Winona, and they're now putting those plans on hold.
All right, Steve, thanks so much.